Is Patterson-UTI Energy, or PTEN, the next big breakout in the energy sector? As of March 22, 2026, this oilfield services giant is trading at $10.91, sitting right near its 52-week high. With a BUER rating from analysts and some very rare technical signals flashing on the charts, today we're breaking down the fundamentals and the technicals to see if this rally has legs. Let's look at the charts. PTEN is currently in a rare bullish alignment where all four key moving averages are sitting below the current price. This signals incredibly strong upward momentum. While the 5-day MA suggests we might see a tiny short-term pullback, the medium and long-term trends, the 21, 50, and 200-day average, are all screaming BUE. The MACD just completed a classic bullish crossover, and the histogram is expanding, meaning buying pressure is actually accelerating. Now, keep an eye on the RS at 84, which is deep in overbought territory. Don't be surprised if we see a brief dip before the next leg up. One of the most interesting parts of this setup is the volume profile. PTEN just broke above its 52-week value area high of 8.50 cents. It's now moving through a low-volume node, which means there's very little historical resistance in this price zone. This could lead to a fast move toward the next major resistance at $12.30. We also saw a massive volume surge on March 9th, nearly double the average daily volume, which suggests big institutional players are starting to accumulate shares. But is the company actually strong? Since its 2023 merger with NexTier Oilfield Solutions, PTEN has become a powerhouse, holding about 20% of the North American oilfield services market. They operate the largest hydraulic fracturing fleet in the U.S. and a premium fleet of Super-Spec rigs that command a 20–30% pricing premium over older models. Essentially, they have the high-end tech that oil companies are willing to pay extra for. What's next? Mark your calendars for April 22nd. That's the Q1 2026 earnings report. If we see improving margins or a boost in rig counts, that could be the catalyst for a major breakout. However, it's not all sunshine. PTEN is highly tied to WTI crude prices. If oil drops below $70, those drilling budgets might tighten. Also, keep an eye on their EBITDA margins. Any continued compression there could be a red flag. To summarize, PTEN is technically bullish but slightly overextended in the short term. If it holds support at $8.50, the path to $12.30 looks open. What do you think? Is PTEN a buy at $10.90, or are you waiting for a pullback? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dive stock analysis.